Welcome back to this channel, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do not leave without subscribing. Make sure you click on that subscribe button. Really, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Do me a favor by subscribing. Like this video, you share. You can also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at US30 for this week. But before I actually get started, this massive move, right? We actually predicted this move. I'm sure a lot of you actually lost, right? Many of you actually lost on US30, but I was one of those, will I say, fortunate people that actually gained a lot. I actually made a lot of profits from US30. One thing is that if you check my Patreon channel, right, if you subscribe to this Patreon channel, you are going to get in-depth good setup on US30. You can see it. These are most of the setup we'll be watching out for: Nasdaq 100, US30, gold, natural gas, S&P 500, especially this top five. This is what I'll be concentrating on. So this US30, we actually predicted a fall, right? You want to believe me, right? If you don't believe me, now check this my Patreon channel. Check this my playlist, or I'm going to put a link to this playlist, by the way. Take a look at this US30. You can watch it. Watch how we predicted this move. This was only shared to my Patreon subscribers. This massive move, which was actually predicted. Once you check this, right, also go back to this Patreon, this playlist. Check the some of these our playlists, like some of these our playlists. You see some analysis on Nasdaq 100, US30, US 500 were actually correct, right? That is it. So when you now also check, so once you actually check this, right, US30, you actually watch it to see that our analysis was actually correct. Also, if you see this US30, we actually hit our profit. Same thing with S&P 500. So if in case you're interested in it, go check it. You'll be able to, when you subscribe, you get good setup on this US30. So we actually predicted this fall. We actually predicted this drop, and US30 gave us this drop. So this week, what are we going to be watching out for? The thing is that we will be getting a drop again on US30, but a bullish move will play out first. That's the thing. A bullish move will play out first. The entry points will actually determine how you are going to profit, because you need to be very careful again, because one, a major news will be released, right, which is going to very much affect this our stock indices. US30 will be affected. Many of our USD, DXY pairs will definitely be affected. So we need to be very, very careful about this, right, before you enter this. A bullish move will play out before a drop will play out. So if in case you are interested in this, entry point, the take profit point, you can just give it a try. Just try. I want you to give it a try for just a month. Subscribe and see if I'll give you a good setup on this our US30 and other stock indices. Well, when we go to this daily time frame, you can see that this is a massive drop. Even the bullish move that played out on Monday, I predicted this move. I said there is very much likely going to be a bullish move before we get that drop. And exactly what price did that, gave us the bullish move. And guess what? This drop, I actually was one of those people that profited massively on US30. I made a lot of profit from this drop. There was a massive drop that played out on NAS US30, and I actually profited from it. One thing is that we will be expecting another drop, but a bullish move will play out. So if in case you're interested, sign up. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. This is a correction, right? Price has dropped, right? So we would still expect more drop again. That is what I know on US30. So if in case you're interested in more of this setup, you can just give it a try by becoming one of our Patreon subscribers.